Welcome to ByteFurther. Today's video is gonna show you why is the iPhone unavailable timer not going down and how to get out of unavailable status to unlock your phone. At the end of this video, I'll explain some frequently asked questions about iPhone unavailable timer not going down from users. So, please watch this video till the end. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and share it via Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and so on to help others in need. Now, let's start. Here's a common iPhone unavailable time not going down problem. When you see an iPhone unavailable message on your iPhone after entering the wrong passcode too many times or doing a failed update, you should notice that it will give you a timer saying try again in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, or 8 hours. You think that after waiting for the timer to go down, it'll bypass the unavailable screen and give you access to enter the right passcode to unlock. However, you only find the iPhone unavailable timer stuck. For example, the message iPhone unavailable try again in 15 minutes or 59 minutes stuck and keeps coming up on a screen. It doesn't seem to go away no matter how long you wait. You try to turn off the device and then turn it back on. Though, the iPhone unavailable timer isn't still going down but staying at the same time. So, why is iPhone unavailable time not going down? Here are a few common reasons. 1. Software bugs. If the software stops working normally as it should, it'll lead to iPhone unavailable time stuck and not changing on the lock screen. 2. Failed updates. If your iPhone is unavailable and the timer is not going down after updating the iOS firmware recently, the update could be at fault. 3. SIM card related issues. 4. Charging issues. Yes, some users complain that the timer is not counting down in an unavailable iPhone lock screen when charging. 5. Broken hardware components. For instance, if you've ever dropped the phone, the screen component might be broken. As a result, it keeps showing you the stuck iPhone unavailable timer screen, but in fact, the timer has gone away under the mistaken screen. Next, what do you do if iPhone's unavailable timer is not going down? We will show you 5 solutions to get my iPhone out of unavailable mode. Solution 1. Restart your unavailable iPhone. The very first thing you should do when you get the message iPhone unavailable on the lock screen with the timer not counting down is to restart it. If you're using an iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or later, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using iPhone 6, 7, or 8, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your phone. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. After your iPhone turns on, wait and see whether the timer is going down or not. If yes, after the unavailable screen goes past, enter the right passcode and unlock your iPhone. If not, try the next solution. Solution 2, put in a SIM card and reboot. The next step you should do is to put an active SIM card into the phone and reboot it. If you've already inserted one, take it out and insert it again. Then, restart your iPhone again. If the iPhone unavailable timer is counting down, then wait until the time is up and type the passcode to unlock your phone. If the timer is still stuck and not changing, you'll need to factory reset your unavailable iPhone to unlock it. Note that it'll delete everything on your phone, including photos, messages, contacts, etc. So, make sure you have backups for them before going forward. Next, we'll show you 3 ways to reset your unavailable iPhone when the timer is not going down. Solution 3. Erase iPhone. When your iPhone is unavailable and shows a timer, you should also see an Erase iPhone button in the bottom right corner. It's an Apple-released icon to help anyone who has problems with the unavailable iPhone to unlock the device without a passcode or computer. Here's what you need to do. Tap the Erase iPhone option. Tap the Erase iPhone option again. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap the Erase button and it'll then start erasing your unavailable iPhone where the timer is not going down. You'll see an Apple icon with a progress bar under it. When the bar reaches 100%, your phone will bypass the unavailable screen and turn on. Swipe up the hello screen to quickly set up your phone. Now, you successfully get out of the stuck iPhone unavailable timer screen and use it as normal again. Solution 4, wipe clean iPhone using iCloud. Can't see the Erase iPhone button? Worry not. You can let the iPhone unavailable timer go away using iCloud. Note that this method only works when the Find My feature is turned on before your iPhone gets unavailable and the device is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. Here's what you need to do. Head to iCloud.com, enter your Apple ID and password and log in. On the iCloud homepage, click the Find iPhone option. In the middle top, click All Devices. From the list of devices, select the iPhone with an unavailable timer stuck. Then, click Erase iPhone. Click Erase iPhone again. Now, all that's left to do is to wait for it to erase everything on your iPhone and bring it back to its factory settings. When your iPhone boots up to the Hello screen, quickly set it up and your device is unlocked. Solution 5. Factory Reset iPhone with a computer. If you still have problems entering your locked and unavailable iPhone due to the timer not going down, try to factory reset your device with a computer. Here's what you need to do. Connect your iPhone to a Windows or Mac OS computer using a USB cable. Launch iTunes or Finder application and put your phone into recovery mode. Quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Your phone will turn off showing a black screen, and then the Apple logo shows up. Keep holding the side button. When you see the recovery mode screen, release the side button. Keep your phone connected to the computer and go to iTunes or Finder. There is a dialog box displaying on the screen. Click the Restore button and choose Restore and Update option. Follow the on-screen instructions it prompts and wait for iTunes or Finder to reset your unavailable iPhone and bypass the stuck timer. It might take 1 to 3 hours to finish, so please wait patiently. When it finishes, let your device boots up. Quickly set up your iPhone as new and go to the home screen. Hope now you fix the iPhone unavailable timer not going down issue. Now, here comes ByteFurther's FAQ part. How long does iPhone unavailable last with no timer? Depending on your iPhone system version, iPhone unavailable will last with no timer after entering the wrong passcode more than 9 or 10 times in a row. How long does it take for iPhone unavailable to go away? If there is a timer showing on your screen under the iPhone unavailable message, it will go away after waiting for the specific time duration and entering the right passcode. If there is no timer, the unavailable screen won't go away until you factory reset the device. What to do if your iPhone says iPhone unavailable with no time limit? As there is no time limit, you won't get an option to attempt the passcode to unlock anymore. In this case, the only way you can do is to erase the device content and settings and bring it back to its factory defaults. That's all for why the iPhone unavailable timer is not going down and how to fix it. Hope this video can help you bypass the stuck unavailable iPhone timer and unlock your device successfully. Be sure to subscribe ByteFurther channel to learn more tech tips about iPhones, and click another video on the screen to keep watching.